A fellow project manager, Emily, seeks advice on managing a potential risk in her project that might cause a 10 days delay. Okay. She is uncertain whether to mitigate or accept this risk. As an experienced project manager, how would you advise Emily? So the question is primarily saying, is the 10 days of delay is big or small? Yeah. And if it is happening, what should we do? Should we try to figure out something or let it happen? Yeah, that's the question. And someone asked you as a project manager, and you are trying to advise that guy. Let's see. Yeah. Option A, mitigate any risk that could cause a delay, regardless of its duration. So that could be a blanket advice. All delays matter. 10 days is a big day. You must mitigate it. That's the option A. Doesn't look good. It depends. 10 days of delay in a 1 year duration project or 10 days of delay in a 10 days project, both may have a different meaning. In case of 10 days delay in a 1 month project, it's a significantly high. A 10 days delay in a little longer duration project may not be significantly high. It depends, depending upon what kind of delay it is. Let's see option B. Accept the risk since 10 days delay is typically manageable. So I can't deny it, I can't accept it. I can't blanketly do anything about such kind of delays. Let's see option C. Encourage Emily, the project manager, to align her risk management plan with stakeholder expectations to determine the best response. Definitely. So, what should I do when I have an X impact? That should be defined in a risk management plan. I should have a clarity about what is the probability definition, what is the impact definition based on probability and impact matrix. If the risk score is coming this, what should we do about it? That all matters. Now 10 days risk without clarity about probability or without clarity about the overall risk exposure and how stakeholder wants to look into, we can't advise any direct response strategy for it. So the project manager should have an agreement on risk management plan, then only based on those risk management plans the strategies can come. Yeah, so option C looks great. Let's see option D also. Base the decision solely on personal intuition and past experience, not necessarily a good idea. It until unless it is agreed in a risk management plan. So yes, there will be. It's not like all decisions I have to go to the stakeholders and ask them. Yeah, there will be decisions which I will be taking as a project manager based on my expert judgment, which will be there. But I need to have an agreement. What are those decisions in case of risk? At what level I can keep taking expert level judgment and where I need to consult with the stakeholder. So A, B, and D all are possible things, but I can't do it till the time I have an agreement on the approach. So once I have option C where we have an agreement on the approach, we can decide what makes sense in a given context. So this particular question is mapping to the process task 3, assess and manage risk. We explore the topics like risk management plan, risk tolerance and threshold of the stakeholders, and overall probability and impact matrix. All these things are part of risk management plan, but yeah, I just mentioned them separately so that you get a better clarity.